Introduction to Certified Hyperledger Developer. Why is this course relevant? At present, Hyperledger is one of the most popular blockchain platforms for the enterprise ecosystem. Companies are utilizing Hyperledger as the backbone to build blockchains and related applications. This course promotes the development of the free and open-source Hyperledger platform while also offering professional certification and hands-on training. It covers learning development for various Hyperledger projects, including Hyperledger Fabric, Hyperledger Sawtooth, and others. So what is a certified Hyperledger developer expected to do? A certified Hyperledger developer should be capable of creating blockchain-based applications for businesses and possess a solid understanding of blockchain technology. Additionally, they should be qualified to work as Hyperledger developers and have a focus on business development strategies. Now let's have a brief overview of the course. The course gives an in-depth demonstration on utilizing Hyperledger Fabric to create blockchain applications. The Certified Hyperledger Developer course includes training on the following topics: the architecture of Hyperledger Fabric, the creation of smart contracts or chain code, the network setup and maintenance, as well as hands-on experience on Sawtooth and Bisu. The course aims at utilizing the Hyperledger development environment to get practical experience and an understanding of blockchain technology. So what are the benefits of enrolling in this certification? Certifications offered by Blockchain Council are recognized globally. The Certified Hyperledger Developer certification will not only help you upskill yourself but also act as proof of knowledge to enhance your career prospects. Along with lifetime access to the course and certification, you will also receive a 24/7 assistance from the Blockchain Council team if needed. There will be a total of 10 hours of training, followed by a 1-hour exam. The exam will contain 60 questions that you must answer, and you have to pass the minimum threshold to receive the certification. The training will be held online, and the training can be consumed as per the candidate's availability and online speed. The exam will be for 100 marks, and you need to acquire at least 60% marks to pass the exam. If you fail the exam, you can retake it after 1 day. A total of 3 attempts are allowed. However, if you fail to get at least 60 marks after 3 attempts, then you will need to contact the Blockchain Council team to get manual assistance for clearing the exam. The certificate will be verifiable online on the Blockchain Council website, so potential employers can search for you and hire you for projects directly through this website. The certification will be structured in the following way. We will start the second module with an overview of blockchain, covering what this technology is all about, why it is distributed, P2P network, and types of blockchains. In the third module, we will discuss permissioned blockchain in detail, covering its architecture, its role in the system's engineering lifecycle, and its examples. In the fourth module, we will discuss Hyperledger, where we will talk about the Linux Foundation and cover what exactly Hyperledger is, Hyperledger design philosophy, why we need Hyperledger, and how it works. Moreover, we will also talk about its advantages and disadvantages. In the fifth module, we will briefly learn about the Hyperledger ecosystem, where we will understand its associated DLTs, libraries, and tools. We will also dive deep and understand what consensus is, and the types of consensus that Hyperledger projects support. Further, in the sixth module, we will have an overview of Hyperledger Fabric. In the next module, we will discuss technical aspects of Hyperledger Fabric. The eighth module comprises the beginning of hands-on, where we will begin with installing the prerequisites. Once all the prerequisites are done, we will have a detailed Hyperledger Fabric installation. Moving on, in the next module, we will start operating the Fabric network by creating and interacting with the channel along with implementing the chain code on the network. Furthermore, in Module 10, we will deploy the smart contract on the newly created channel, and once all the required operations are performed, we will create a supply chain management project using Hyperledger Fabric in the next module. Next, we will jump into another DLT platform under the Hyperledger umbrella project, which is Hyperledger Sawtooth. Firstly, we will have an overview of this DLT. Then in Module 13, we will discuss the concepts and architecture behind Hyperledger Sawtooth. Moving on to the next module, which is Module 14, we will gain hands-on experience with Hyperledger Sawtooth. In this module, we will create and run the transaction processor, discuss the flow overview of the project, write the basic transaction handler, create the signing credentials, submit the payload to the blockchain API, create the blockchain backend with express.js, and authenticate the API calls. In Module 15, we will discuss another DLT under the Hyperledger umbrella, which is Hyperledger BSU. First, we will go through an overview of the project. Then in Module 16, we will perform the installation of the prerequisites for Hyperledger BSU, and at the end, we will create a private network on Hyperledger BSU. The technology we are exploring is revolutionizing the world, and you are only one step away from comprehending it. Therefore, we can definitely state that this is one of the best certifications you will ever pursue. We hope that by enrolling in the course and taking advantage of this exceptional opportunity, you will continue your education through these lectures. So welcome to Certified Hyperledger Developer.